Hello and welcome to another Velo Sud video. This one is a recipe for energy bars for when you're out on the bike and for times when you've seen roadkill and thought, do you know what, I could really eat that now when you're 3/4 of the way through a very long ride. As my wife will attest, I'm absolutely crap in the kitchen. However, this little recipe for energy bars I think will get you really quite excited. So before you start thinking, oh, this is a complicated recipe, how am I going to be able to make it? It's actually as difficult as putting on a hat. So for these delicious energy bars, you need just 3 ingredients: peanut butter, honey, and rolled oats. So now for the weights and measures. The amounts, they are, for 2 people, grab your pen and paper, 100 grams of rolled oats, 100 grams of peanut butter, and 100 grams of honey. That makes enough for 2 people for one ride, which is exactly what I take out for myself. Now you've got your honey and your peanut butter, we just need to stick it in the microwave just to warm it up to make it easier to mix together. Now for the last secret ingredient, if you want just a little bit more of a kick, you can either put in some cranberries or some sultanas. The next step, you just need to get yourself some grease-proof paper, which is always on hand for grease-proof paper. Grease-proof paper. Have we got any grease-proof paper? Hey? Greaseproof paper. Greaseproof paper. Now you need to put it in the oven for 20. You don't actually. This is the whole beauty of this. You just whack it in the fridge, leave it overnight, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's set. So now these have been in the fridge overnight, and I'm just going to take them out and just cut them up. As you can see, they're quite solid now, which is good. Pardon the noise. And I know what you're thinking, am I a peak down man or a peak up man? And yeah, I'm a peak down man. Anyway, so here we go. So there you are, simple and effective and really, really good for a ride. Eat them now and you'll be thanking me later. Hope you have a good day. I'm just off out on the bike. For new videos, like and subscribe and all that jazz.